Hi everyone, my name is Patil. I am from Belgavi. I have completed my BE at AMC Engineering College, Bangalore. Actually, I am into the electronics and communications.
My name is Nagul and I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have been finished my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering from Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology in Andhra Pradesh.
I have two streams to go, VLSI and embedded. So I was more into the embedded, so I chose embedded. So I got the Emertxe through my seniors, one placed at Harman and one at LG. So I thought it is a good to start my journey. So I joined Emertxe. Like in college, we are doing only the theory things, not be knowing the logic things. But after coming to the Emertxe, they have a structured things. If we go through that, we'll get to know what internally it's happening and we'll get the particular logic. So I have done 6 projects. I'll take one project like CAN based automotive dashboard. In that we are going to use a CAN protocol. We don't know, we are going to learn only the theory things while teaching, but when we are implementing how CAN protocol is working. I have completed 6 projects. This helped me a lot. So the particular logics I can learn and how to implement in industrial areas also. This will give a physical exposure also. Like I'll take one example project like Linux project Minishell. We are using external and internal commands, but while building I got to know this is how it particularly working internally and all. After building that, this is what I have to learn that I got to know by doing the Minishell project. By doing the projects, I understood everything how it internally working and all. Before HP, I attended the Max Linear, that is also premium company. That's also good, but I did well and if I learn more things, I'll get more. So after attending the HP, I have one virtual interview and one day I have a offline interview at HP, and there also there will be 2 rounds. And after that HR room. Like after coming to Emertxe, starting I will be traveling to build a logic, particularly in a C programming. I also faced the same issue. After taking the help of mentors, I was able to learn more in Emertxe. This all in a structured way, so I can get in a good way. And Emertxe also share monthly interview questions that help me a lot to prepare well for the interviews. I got placed in a tech system where I will be working for a HP as a client. So I will be more into the printers and all done by the HPs. So this is based on the networking thing.
During my bachelor's, so I have done experiments on the breadboard. So during those times, I used to get the outputs. When I was get the outputs, so I was to feel like I have to do some things in an electronic industry. So and during my bachelor's, I was aiming to become a VLSI engineer. And there is one person who is know the real-time examples of the chip, that is none other than embedded engineer. From then onwards, I was aiming to become an embedded engineer. After completion of my graduation, so I was researched on the institutes which gives the best hands-on experience on the embedded domain. And I was selected Emertxe, which gives the best hands-on experience in the embedded domain. And I was joined in the Emertxe. I have done 6+ modules. So the names of the modules will be like advanced C, data structures, C++, and the microcontroller and the Linux internals. And in Emertxe, I have done 15+ projects. So during my bachelor's, so I have only the theoretical knowledge. So I don't have the practical knowledge, how the things are being practically done with the devices. And Emertxe, I have done the practical knowledge which I have been learned in the theoretical knowledge in my during my bachelor's. So those knowledge helped me to develop practical knowledge in the devices at Emertxe. So Emertxe helped me a lot to done the things on practically on the real-time devices. During my bachelor's, so I have a little bit knowledge on the coding things and some theoretical knowledge. So I don't have how to build a real-time world projects and how to do the workings and those things. So when I joined in the Emertxe, projects are the main things where we include the every concepts of the modules. These projects will cover the complete knowledge on the concepts. So in Emertxe, I have done 15+ projects. In advanced C, I have done 9 projects, and in data structures, I have done 3 projects, and in microcontrollers, I have done 3 projects, and Linux internals I also have done 3 projects. So first project I have started with the address book project, which is a basic project that leads to the advanced level projects. So it will start with some basic data structures as well as data types. So the next project is steganography project. These steganography projects are mainly used to hide the sequential credentials, where we can extract these sequential credentials in the future. And later on, I have done the microcontroller projects. In that, I have done the car automotive dashboard. So as I said that I have been completed 15 plus projects. While working on these projects, I was a bit difficult how to build the projects from the scratch. So I have been taken the help from the mentors. So mentors helped me a lot during my placements. So I have given 2 interviews. The first one is Max Linear. So after that, I have been entered into the HP interviews. So there I have been went for 5 rounds. So the initial 2 rounds will be like the on phone call. So on the 3 rounds will be at HP office, and the last one will be the HR round. During these rounds, I have been mainly asked the questions on the network protocols like TCP, UDP, and the DHCP delivery process, and how the server and the clients have been communicating with each other. So before joining the MSc, I don't have basic knowledge what the industry has been required. After joining the MSc, I have got hands-on experience with the projects. Those made me a great inspiration and ready for the industry. My advice to the junior is to do as much as projects you can. So do these projects on your own. So these projects will make you the perfect and industry ready. And these projects will mainly help you to crack the interviews. If you done the projects on your own, you can freely explain the projects in a better way. So if you copy or if you mug up the projects, you will face some difficulties during your interview. So do your projects on your own so that you can handle every question. So I have been selected in HP company. So where the HP mainly focuses on the designing of the laptops as well as the printers. So my role is going to be the embedded developer mainly on the printers.